looking at example one about this business partnership. Michelle invests $15,000 in a partnership that has 4 other members. The total of investment of all the partners is $240,000. So first we're going to answer what percent of the business does Michelle own? So if we want to find the percent that she owns, we're going to take the amount that she's invested, which is $15,000. And we're going to divide it by the total investment of all 5 people, $240,000. And then we are going to put that into the calculator. We are going to round this to the nearest whole percent. So we'll go ahead and type this in, 15,000 divided by 240,000. And so we are getting, she owns 0.0625. I'm going to go ahead and put that down. But what we really want to look at is the nearest whole percent. That's the second decimal place. So we're going to look to the third one. Does she own 6% of the business, or does it round up to 7? But that 2 is just going to have this round off at 0.06. I will take answers of 0.06, 0.06, or 6%. Any of those are acceptable when you're typing it into your Google Forms. The other question says, what percent do the other partners own? Now, you guys, if I'm not doing it on an individual basis, if 100% of the business is owned by all 5 people and Michelle owns 6%, that's probably the easiest way to do that, would be to calculate that out. So I can go ahead and just round that off 94%, or I'm going to write it over here, sorry, 0.94 or 0.94. The other way to look at that would be to take 240,000, which is the total investment, and subtract off the 15,000 that Michelle has invested. And then that's going to give you the investment of all the other partners, which is 225,000. And you would divide it by the total. But we don't need to do that since we already found Michelle's percentage. We don't need to do this extra math. We can just take 100% and subtract off the rounded percent that we said she owned.